This monitor replaces everything. ViewSonic VG2757V-2K Review 2K QHD Docking Beast. Ever felt stuck mid-project, frustrated by endless cables, glitchy webcams, and clunky peripherals stealing your focus? That creeping overwhelm of juggling tools that never quite sync, leaving your desk in chaos and your patience thin? It's not just about wasted minutes. It's about wasted mental energy. And when your workspace blocks momentum, even simple tasks feel like uphill battles. Now imagine looming deadlines closing in, notifications pinging nonstop, stress piling higher than your paperwork. Every video call feels like a gamble. Will your camera cooperate this time, or freeze mid-sentence? Missed cues, botched first impressions, and burnout simmer beneath the surface. The opportunities you lose. You'll never get those back. That's the silent tax of unreliable tools. Enter the ViewSonic VG2757V-2K, the all-in-one docking monitor that doesn't just simplify your setup, it transforms it. Imagine a single 27-inch QHD IPS display, 2560 by 1440, that delivers sharp text, vivid colors, and wide 178 degrees viewing angles, perfect for spreadsheets, coding, or Netflix breaks. Now add a pop-up 5-megapixel infrared webcam with adjustable LED fill light that flatters you in every call and doubles as your key to password-free, secure Windows Hello login. The integrated 90-watt USB-C docking station handles video, audio, data, and laptop charging in one swoop, while the Ethernet port guarantees rock-solid connection, no more Wi-Fi dropouts mid-pitch. Built-in dual speakers and a noise-canceling mic create a seamless conferencing hub, sparing you tangled headsets. Tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustment ensure all-day ergonomic comfort, while Eye ProTech Plus reduces strain during marathon work sessions. Daisy chain another display for turbocharged multitasking or effortlessly toggle devices with the KVM switch. One real-life save, a user hot swapped from a work laptop to personal PC mid-call without missing a single beat. The real magic of the ViewSonic VG2757V-2K lies in what it does for your daily flow. Suddenly, deadlines feel less crushing when a single USB-C cable keeps your desk spotless and your laptop fully charged. Reviewers rave. This monitor replaced hundreds of dollars of gear and made my desk feel like a studio. Experts call it a category leader in docking monitors, seamlessly blending conferencing and productivity. Influencers highlight the webcam's flattering eye-level angle and lighting. No more dark, awkward frames. Everyday users? They gush about clean setups, reliable Ethernet, and crystal-clear calls. One wrote, 6 hours of video calls feel effortless. Goodbye neck pain, hello comfort. With the KVM switch, jumping between a work laptop and a gaming PC feels instant, almost magical. And let's not forget the extras. 100 Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals, front-facing speakers loud enough for team calls, and ergonomic adjustments that make marathon sessions bearable. Isn't it wild that one screen can boost productivity, reduce stress, and even win you compliments on your video quality? That's why so many switch, rave, and never look back. The VG2757V-2K quietly turns chaos into clarity. Limited stock. Don't let clutter or burnout win another day. The ViewSonic VG2757V-2K is selling fast. Join thousands already working smarter, cleaner, sharper. Every delay costs you focus, opportunity, momentum. Act now. Secure yours today, and transform your desk into a flow state hub. Imagine logging in with a glance, charging with one cable, calling without stress. This is your moment. Seize it, win back control, and own your productivity future.